Hey, hello, how are you? So today I will show you how to separate full name into first name and last name on Google Sheet. So let's get started. So it's a very simple trick. So let me show you. So in this sheet you can see full name and email field, right? Okay. So we will work on this section, column. So uh, for this we should create some empty column on right side. One, two, three, four, and five. So suppose we make five empty columns here. For separating, let me check this column and go to data here and split text to columns here. So the condition will be space, right? So those are split, right? Okay. For for better experience, let me copy copy this field. This is full name section. So let me divide this part here. Okay, this space. Okay, it's worked. So this field will be first name. This field will be last name. So look, it's very easy. Hope this video will help you. Okay, and you can download this bit Excel into CSV format. So it's already downloaded. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.